Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching TechMade Unique, and today we're going to see how to remove your DP completely blank on your WhatsApp. So you can just remove the DP and you can make it as a blank DP on your WhatsApp using this method. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe and below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to remove the DP on your WhatsApp, I just going to show in this video. So click on the three dot option on the top, then click on the setting option, or click on this three dot option on the top, click on the setting option. Now you just click on your profile or click on the DP directly. Now you will see option to change the DP. Click on the DP again. Here you will see a three option: camera, gallery and avatar. You just need to click on the delete option. Now it shows remove your profile photo. You just click on remove option, which actually remove your profile photo. Now you can see that your DP is empty. This is how you just create, and this is how you just empty your DP and make a blank DP on your WhatsApp. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, and if you have any doubts about the WhatsApp, you just comment below. Just make a video about it, and we will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMade Unique. Have a wonderful day.